What is the difference between the world's wealthiest people and everybody else? How did they get where they are now? There may be many secret tips we'll never know about, but one thing is certain. They are wealthy because they were the first to spot and take advantage of great opportunities. Some of those opportunities lie in the stock exchange. So what is the stock exchange and how does it work? For some, it is the pathway to a secure future. For others, it represents a better lifestyle or financial freedom. The stock exchange is in fact a global network where over $5 trillion a day are traded in the form of securities. Securities are rights to assets or shares, which represents a share in a company. Imagine owning a part of Microsoft or Alibaba. That's the opportunity presented by the stock exchange. The value of the share depends on the value of the company. When shares are solid, it enables companies, especially startups, to raise capital and grow, which in turn increases the value of those shares. Shareholders can keep up to date with publicly traded companies on various stock exchanges and websites. So why should you invest in stocks, and how can you know that the investments you make are 100% profitable? The truth is, you can. But what you can do is invest in promising new companies that have a solid business plan for growth. Let's see what some billionaires say about the global capital markets and why becoming a part of this community is a good idea. Let's start with Bill Gates. In March 13, 1986, Microsoft went public with shares valued at $21, rising to $28 by the end of trading day. The initial public offering raised $61 million. The company's IPO created 3 billionaires and over 10,000 millionaires among Microsoft employees. Had you taken a chance on Microsoft 33 years ago, a $1,000 investment in Microsoft on its IPO would be worth more than $1.6 million as of 2018, according to CNBC calculations. Microsoft is currently valued at $873 billion. The second person on our list is a pioneer in the capital markets, Warren Buffett. Buffett first became a shareholder at age 11. He is known as the Oracle of Omaha and is worth almost $84 billion as of 2018. One of Warren Buffett's keys to success regarding stocks is be patient and think long-term.
I know what markets are going to do over a long period of time. They're going to go up. But in terms of what's going to happen in a day or a week or a month or a year even, I've never felt that I knew it, and I've never felt it was important. I will say that in 10 or 20 or 30 years, I think stocks will be a lot higher than they are now.
Finally, let's move on to Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba and China's richest man. From the Alibaba IPO.
There are more than 130 press organizations waiting here to see Jack Ma.
The IPO of Alibaba was the single largest and the biggest day that I can remember in many ways.
And Alibaba, with its much anticipated IPO today,
To become the richest man in China.
Himself has become China's richest man just by the founding of Alibaba. Today, he is expected to be worth north of $22 billion.
This was a very big deal for China, not just for Alibaba.
Today, what we've got is not the money. What we've got is the trust from the people.
So what lies ahead?
What Alibaba want to do next to 10, 20 years is to enable the innovation of traditional business, transform the world, transform all the traditional retailer, manufacturer, financing sectors.
And how will that change the future of our society?
I do everything to making sure that my customer happy, employee happy, the society is good, is healthy. Social responsibility is the key.
These forward-thinking billionaires knew how to take advantage of the capital markets and grow their businesses. We at Future Science Holdings aim to do the same. Have a solid business plan, have long-term goals, and always look toward innovation while being socially responsible. When you make investment decisions, timing can be everything. Perhaps the time is now to position yourself with Future Science Holdings and have the freedom and lifestyle you deserve. Future Science Holdings, investing in tomorrow's future today.